JFrog provides a powerful platform for managing, storing, and distributing software artifacts. Here's how to get started with JFrog. Set up JFrog. First, ensure you have a JFrog account. If not, create one by visiting JFrog and following the registration process. Log into JFrog. Once your account is set up, log into the JFrog platform using your credentials. Create repositories. JFrog allows you to create different types of repositories where you can store and manage artifacts. Navigate to repositories, add repository, and select the appropriate repository type for your artifacts. Upload artifacts. After setting up repositories, you can upload artifacts manually via the UI or automate the process using CI/CD tools such as Jenkins, GitHub Actions, or Circle CI. For example, if using Docker, you can push Docker images to JFrog using the following. Version control. JFrog allows versioning of artifacts, enabling you to manage multiple releases and dependencies. Integrate with CI/CD. Use JFrog plugins and integrations to streamline CI/CD workflows, promoting artifacts through different stages like development, testing, staging, and production. Monitoring and management. Monitor artifact usage, manage permissions, and generate detailed reports for analytics.